So hey guys and gals, quick video to show you some information that I found about this Tenma 72-1095 that I picked up at a flea market the other weekend. And it says, what caught my eye was isolated output, oscillation transformer. Now, I assumed that isolated meant completely isolated, but it does not, and we'll get into that, and that's the purpose of this video. But for anybody that has never seen one of these or wants to know a little bit about them, it has a lighted power switch, which I can't show you because I have it partially taken apart. It has, this is the meter section switches. This switch causes it to, the panel meter, to display voltage. This switch causes it to display current. And this switch causes it to display the line input voltage, not the output voltage here, but the line input voltage, the voltage actually applied to the plug, in other words. So this unit has an isolation transformer in it. This is a 1-to-1 transformer, I'm assuming. And it isolates the output, the 120 volts electrically. But the problem is this ground from the input cord. So this cord is the cord that I just disconnected, took it out of this hole here, and it was ground connected here, and that's fine. It's a good thing. Nothing wrong with that. The problem is that this wire on the output ground terminal, which for some reason is black, goes to ground. Chassis ground. That's not going to work. So I'm going to end up disconnecting that for my purposes, which for me is because I work on antique radios that don't have proper grounding to begin with. And lots of videos on that online, so I'm not really going to get into that. But what you could do, I have the case cover off, so I don't need to test it to see if it is isolated or not. But what you could do without removing the case is check for continuity between the ground pin on the power plug input and the power plug output. And if you have continuity, then you know it's not grounded isolated. So I hope that helps somebody. Thanks.